Welcome to our guide on mastering KuCoin and achieving crypto trading success. KuCoin offers a wide range of cryptocurrencies, but success requires smart strategies. Never put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your investments to minimize risk. High leverage trading is tempting but dangerous for beginners. Start small and learn. Create a solid trading plan with clear goals and risk limits for long-term success. Don't just follow the crowd. Thoroughly research projects before investing. Diversify across various crypto sectors to build a balanced and resilient portfolio. Learn to read charts and identify trends for more informed trading decisions. Don't let FOMO drive your decisions. Stay rational and stick to your plan. Always set take profit and stop loss orders to manage risk effectively. Prioritize security with strong passwords, two-factor authentication, and hardware wallets. Keep up with crypto regulations and taxes in your area for long-term compliance. Apply these tips, keep learning, and you'll be on your way to KuCoin trading mastery. Ready to start? Click below to create your KuCoin account and apply these tips.